For sale, super rare 1971 XR7 Cougar convertible. This is a 429 Cobra Jet car. Only 14 were ever made. 9 came with an automatic transmission. This car was restored in the early 2000s. Appears to be all original sheet metal. Power windows and power driver's seat were added. Factory console, tilt wheel, air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering. Came with an AM8 track when the car was new. That's missing now. Runs and drives great. Odometer reads 72,000. Appears to be the original mileage on the car. Power top works great. Goes up and down fine. Has a glass rear window. My phone number is 714-757-8437. Email rpmron@gmail.com. Matching numbers, engine and trans. Engine block has the VIN number stamped on the back. My YouTube channel. Oh, there's a chip right there. Something fell out of the rafters. RPM Ron Mustangs is my YouTube channel. I have 65 through 70 Mustang fastbacks for sale and other muscle cars. Let me know what you're looking for. I'm in Southern California. Sequential taillights. Here is the Marti report. Shows 9 with this engine trans combination. Completed on March 15th, 1971. Here's part of the Elite Marti report showing this is one of a one car. Original air cleaner with the snorkel is included. Underside of the car looks great. Here are a couple pictures outside. Car looks better outside in the sun. Contact me if you want more pictures and details. Thank you.